Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are a first time viewer. So this is the third in my Stickerate with me series. You can go and find the other ones on my channel elsewhere, and I thought that for this week I would use a personal kit and an extra sheet of washi because I think I'm going to need it, and do a bit of a traditional morning, afternoon, evening layout. So something a little bit different to what I've done before, so that I can show you how things work with that. So grab yourself a drink, probably not a brew. I've actually got a smoothie because it is so hot in Chorley that, yeah, cups of tea are not really happening at the moment. Now, I mentioned on my first video that these sort of Stickerate with me videos, I was going to probably have a little bit of a waffle about a few things as well, and so I was just seeing if there was anything that anybody had suggested for things for me to have a chat about. So let's just have a quick look on the videos, on the comments. Yes, we were having the breakfast, lunch and dinner kind of debate, but that was it really, wasn't it, last time? Okay, so let's have a see. So I'm going to start off by popping down some washi at the bottom, and I think I'm going to layer a couple of these. I'm just looking and thinking what to use. Do you know what, I think I'm going to use this one because it's just really quite different to things that I've done before. I just really like the look of it. So let me just grab a ruler to trim that. There we go. And the other side as well. And so back in the day, she says, back in the day, when Erin Condren planners first sort of launched, they came with morning, day and night already pre-printed on them, and so that was kind of how the day was suggested to be separated out. And as over time, as the planner sort of developed and people went, well, I'm not using it that way, you know, I might be using it for something like, I don't know, homework, school, or, you know, kids, me, husband or whatever. So it kind of just they took the headers out. So there you go. I'm going to pop in a weekend banner because I always like to have that in because I just think it looks cute. And then I'm going to put my little quote box in up here. Like, did you want sprinkles with that? With a this week header underneath. There we go. Oh, make sure we're actually getting things a little bit straighter than they were. And then I'm just going to go through and pop down on each day what I've got going on next week, and you'll probably see why I don't plan in this way, because it really is, I don't use very much at all. So, but I think it's interesting to have a look and see what it ends up looking like. So tomorrow evening I am teaching around tea time. I'm also teaching mid-afternoon. And then on Thursday's a longer session, so I'm going to put that one on for Friday, which is late afternoon. And I'm going to put one of these in for my longer session on Thursday evening. And I still have the whole thing of where I kind of try to visualise as though there's a timeline running from first thing in the morning to last thing at night. And then what I probably do is make this like the gratitude section. That's what I would naturally use that for. So other things that are going on. Tomorrow I am meeting a friend for coffee in the morning. I'll just put that in there ready. With a but first coffee, of course. And then on Wednesday is cleaning day. And I will be out first thing in the morning again. Thursday, nothing happening out of the ordinary. Friday, I have an appointment in the morning, get my nails done, which as you can see are in rather desperate need of some attention. And then Saturday is Bible journaling in the morning, hair appointment at lunchtime, so I put that sort of at the start of the afternoon, and then Sunday is church in the morning. And anything else that I need to put in? Yes, so I also need to put in band practice on Wednesday night. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of these and just turn it kind of sideways to denote that that would be going in. And that is, yes, that's about it. So now what I want to do is around those appointments is fit in my checklists so that I've got spaces to write down what I actually need to get done in a day. So on Monday, realistically, there's not going to be a whole lot that gets done, but I'm still going to give my space for it. Tuesday, I'm going to put it on the morning. No, I'm not going to use that colour, we're going to have a different colour. And I'm going to use a little to-do header, and Tuesday is probably going to be a pretty busy day, to be honest with you. As I said in the earlier video, I'm using my actual plans, but I'm not actually going to write these down because this is more of a different ways to use the planner, thinking about piano teaching, you see, with the stickers that I have. And then Thursday, again, I'm going to put it on, I'll put it on the, yeah, you can sit there. And I'm going to put one of these across to make a little extra header. You can buy extra sheets of headers, I do those. And I'm going to put work on that. And then Friday I'm going to sit it at the start of the afternoon again. Okay. That also leaves me some full boxes empty completely, which I'm going to put some of these decorative boxes in because I think they'll look just really, really nice. Now, because they are designed for smaller planners, they aren't full box sized, but I really wanted to use a personal kit just to show you how you can actually do that and use and just centre them in the box, and they look absolutely great. And then an ice cream, I think the ice cream can come on Sunday or Saturday. It can go on Saturday. We have an amazing ice cream shop near us in Chorley. I think I've mentioned it before, and it is just lovely. I forgot to put in rainbows on Tuesday, so I'm just going to put that in now. The other thing that I think looks better if you are a white space planner is not to actually put your stickers necessarily bang up against the headers on an Erin Condren. So I'm actually going to move that one down a little bit, because although it's for 5.15, I think just that little bit of gap, it just brings it into line. Right, so other things that I want to do on here, I'm going to pop down a long checklist in the sidebar, and I'm going to line it up here so that it lines up with the bottom there, and just I think that just looks a little bit neater. And that's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spaces in, so I'm going to make that my menu for the week and just put a little meal planny sticker there. And then I could just write on menu. There we go. And I'm also going to put in a habit tracker, which is a block one, so there's like 3 different things you can track on there. and this is then going to be quite a few like little bits and bobs which I can add in during the week as I need. But I am going to put in a few little decorative bits as well, just up the top, just a few little, I was about to say, to just sprinkle them here and there, which is quite appropriate given the name of the kit is Sprinkles. I quite like just putting a few little bits up the top just to look pretty. And we then got some more here as well. Thursday can be a bit of a starfish day, why not? And also maybe a few just in the emptier areas of the main planner as well. And this little guy, I'm wondering if I can fit him up here to cover some of the patterning, but I probably can't, so he can just come and sit. He can sit there. And that shell, I think we'll put that up there. Okay, I've then got some little checklist boxes, and I'm actually going to move this sidebar around because I have a plan. So although I do like it when things sort of line up at the bottom, I actually want to make this a little bit more full. So I'm just going to take these off and let's have a see. So this week I'm going to put in you in there, and I'm going to put that as home, and then I'm going to put the other one in and label that as errands. So that might be places to go, people to call, anything like that. Bring in a little bit more. Then I'm going to go in and put, yeah, we're going to just get these in I think. Put you in here. And then this one is actually going to sit over that now. To go in on there with its header. Oh, come on. For the meal planning, and then this one for the habit tracker. With a remember. There we go. Happier with that I think. I know it's skew with. But you get where I'm going with that. Okay. See if I've done it really, really well. Oh, shall I? I'm going to tidy it all up with a strip of skinny washi. And just like that, it's much neater. There we go. Okay, now I mentioned before that I was thinking about layering some washi at the bottom. I'm still debating. And I'm wondering whether to put a matching strip going up this side as well. And I think I will. I always used to do this. I used to really like it, having washi at the edge of the page. I think it just, sometimes it can just look quite cute. And then I will use this little ice cream here just to fill the little hole. Oh, there we go. Right, let's see if there's anything else that I want to put in. Don't think there is. So, much more simple spread this week, which, as I say, obviously these are before the pen spreads, but it just shows you how you can just use, you know, the personal kit. I still have a few things left over on there. I have things that I can add in. If, for example, I've got a really busy day, I need another checklist, that's fine, I can pop those in. Yeah, I need to book in some me time, actually. I'm going to do that because Friday night is going to be me time. Again, I'm going to put that way so that it's sort of... There we go. I like that. And then the washi pack as well, which is a separate listing. So seriously, if you want me to waffle about anything though, just leave anything down in the comments down below and I will absolutely check those on the next video before I start to stickerate. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Leave me any feedback down below and yeah, until next time, lovely people, take care of yourselves. Bye.